Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is another influencer box, so stay tuned if you want to find out what kind of product I received and how you too can get influencer boxes. And like always, like and subscribe. Now on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, so I'm so excited for this because it is a skincare product that it came in this box. And if you don't already know, I love all things skincare related. I am a big skincare junkie. So what I got is the Boscia. I'm gonna pronounce this wrong, it's fine. It is their vegan collagen booster serum. It is botanical science, artificial fragrance, and color free, 100% vegan, obviously, cruelty free and preservative free. So let's get into this box. All right, so open it up. This is what it looks like. It's one product inside. Didn't get more than one like I usually do. Sometimes I don't always get more than one, but yeah, so I got this. And I'm excited to learn a little bit about this. So Boscia, I already said all that stuff. You want to pause and read that? You can. It is their serum. It is supposed to do, I don't know what. I've heard about this brand and I've always wanted to try products from, I always want to try products from every brand, honestly. And it seems really good. I just don't know how to, oh guys, this is so cool. So you just press it, I think. All right, well, oh, okay, well, this is what you're supposed to do. You turn it and it pops up like that. Okay, this is great for traveling. If you're a person who travels or you are constantly on the go and need like to carry serums with you, I don't know for what you would need to carry a serum, but this is really cool. I wonder if they have a moisturizer like this, because this would be great to carry in your bag. Like, look, I'm like shocked. Sorry for the noise. My window's open. I'm doing this by the window. And yeah. Okay, well, now, oh, twisted it the wrong way. Now I kind of want to like, am I supposed to shake it? All right. See what it smells like. It doesn't really smell like anything. What is a serum? So it's a collagen one. So obviously a collagen booster is for anti-aging. So collagen, sometimes as you get older, the collagen that's in your skin doesn't really, it starts not working. It starts decreasing. So collagen boosters are supposed to, I'm gonna like put it on my face right now, near my eyes. All right. So collagen boosters are supposed to help with that collagen, so the elasticity of your skin, so it can tighten and not get all saggy and like, you know, crazy looking. So yeah, so that was the Boscia. If you know how to pronounce this, let me know down in the comments. That was what I got in my influencer box. If you have tried this, let me know what you think down below. I like that it's not scented, so it's perfect for those of you who have allergies or have sensitive skin, because you don't really smell anything, and it is vegan, so you don't have to worry about any chemicals or anything that could be allergy prone, because usually a lot of stuff has stuff. And here, if you want to pause and read that, I'll leave that for a little bit so you can read if you want. Alright, so you know I had to test this out, so right now we're going to check me putting this on with my Michael Todd Sonic Eraser Pro that's available in QVC. So let's check it out. Alright, amazing, no? I tested out the product and honestly it has left my skin feeling amazing. Even for like the first try, because it's the only time I tried it, my skin feels hydrated. It feels so smooth, and it doesn't feel clumpy or sticky or icky like some serums that I've tried in the past leave your skin feeling. But this one is really great, and I like that it's not scented, but it has like a clean scent to it, so it's really, really good, I guess, if you like that kind of thing. Unless you're a scented person who likes products that have scents, then I wouldn't recommend for you. But if you have allergies and stuff, like I've already said, this is a really great product. And thanks to Influencer and Boscia for working together and giving me this amazing box. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. And again, let me know down in the comments what you think about this. If you've tried this, if you've got an Influencer box, have my tips worked? By the way, I'll link up my video up there and down in the description on how to get Influencer boxes. I gave you guys really good tips on how I get all my Influencer boxes. This is my, 6th box in 3 months or 4 months. That is amazing for me because, like I said before, I've only gotten Influencer boxes maybe every 6 months, and I'm getting them back to back. So I will link up my video so you guys can check out my tips on how to get yourself some free products. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Bye now.